In today's video we are going to share with you how using the Industrial Internet of Things can help you improve factory operations. IIoT is a system of interconnected devices, sensors, and software that can be used to automate and optimize industrial processes. With Industrial Internet of Things, factories can optimize production and reduce costs by utilizing machine learning and predictive maintenance. One of the industries that has implemented this type of IoT solutions for industry is oil and gas, where the refinery of the future is now a reality.
Texmark is a family-owned company. We're located in Galena Park, Texas. We're a petrochemical manufacturer, and we have products that we buy and sell to our customers, and we also provide toll manufacturing. Refinery of the Future enabled us to use more real-time data with sensors that is constantly feeding into that software, that's constantly being analyzed and feeding us with information to make better decisions on a day-to-day basis, not on a month-to-month basis.
By leveraging an IIoT, factories can achieve greater operational efficiency, improve scalability, since manufacturers may need to implement additional systems as the business grows, enhance security, which should be a top priority for manufacturers as they are a soft target for cyber attack, improve customer service, and achieve real-time monitoring of factory operations, which can very much improve their operational efficiency.
Refinery of the Future is a program whereby we can create a showcase for leading-edge technologies, a place for partner ecosystem to be built.
There are a few pitfalls of using IIoT that companies should be aware of. It's important to select the right technology for the organization. This means selecting the right hardware and software to meet business requirements. It's also important to select trustworthy service providers that can provide secure and reliable solutions. Another important consideration is transitioning from a traditional factory to an IIoT-enabled factory.
The Refinery of the Future and the success that we have experienced so far would not be possible without that partnership ecosystem.
This can be challenging and requires significant investment in time and resources, so it's best to take a phased approach with the help of experienced partners. Contact us to learn more about how we can help with your Industrial Internet of Things transformation. Our experts can assist you in making the process easier and provide you with the necessary guidance to optimize your industrial processes.